Hello all, we are covering unit 2 things in IoT. Up till now in my previous video we have seen introduction to sensor, light sensor, voltage sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, and the today's topic is motion sensor. So let's start the video in detail to learn the motion sensor in detail. What is motion sensor? A motion detectors or a motion sensor are motion sensitive devices which track a typical movement within an area and alert the user to perform a specific task. This is the image for motion detector. You can see a particular area is that which is specified with some distance and the angle, and it has a specific range to it. Okay, and if the human body or any of the objective comes under that particular distance of the sensing distance, it is going to be do the specific task. This is the exploring image of the motion sensor, and these are the part of the motion sensor. You can see these are the very important part, that is ground, output and power. A single trigger mode and repeatable triggered mode is here for the sensor. Time delay and sensitivity adjust is here. If you want to purchase such kind of sensors from the market, you will be getting such kind of packing for it. This is one of the very good application of the motion detection sensor. You can see, and you can see such kind of frames in front of the mall. When you enter the mall, you have to go from that frame. Okay, so you can also use the motion detector sensor in jungle or anywhere if you want to find any animal, or if animal is passing, or you can do some specific activity for the animal. You can also put the motion detecting sensors to the tree so that you can do specific task. And nowadays in reception or any programs, you can see if you just walking in front, your lights are going to be glow, or something activity is going to be do in on your screen. In the image you can see as the persons are walking on the tiles, the lights are glowing. This is another very important application, smart motion sensing LED strip. As the man has been putted his foot to the first stair, the strip is automatically glowing. These kind of devices work with the multiple technologies using microwaves, ultrasonic waves and so on. Motion detectors are primary choice for security purposes in household, industries and commercial establishment. These are also deployed to enhance customer experience of gadgets in the medical field, biomonitoring or biochemical for detecting the patients. Motion sensor have basically two very important type, that is active sensor and passive infrared sensor. Okay, so active and passive name indicates that passive sensors are not taking actively participate. Okay, passive infrared sensor detects the presence of human being or animal when the temperature of intruding subjects varies from the background objects in that particular area. Most contact sensors are passive infrared sensor. This sensor don't emit any radiation from it, hence it called as a passive. You can see here a specific distance, specified distance has allotted to the particular sensor of 6 meter, and it is having a specific angle. Okay, PIR is a short form for passive infrared. So the term PIR is short form for passive infrared. The term passive indicates that the sensor does not actively take part in the process, which means it does not emit the infrared signals. Okay, then what exactly it is doing? It detecting the infrared radiations coming from the human body or the surrounding area. The PIR sensor are more complicated than other sensor as they consist of two slots. These slots are made up of a special material which is sensitive to the infrared. Now the Fresnel lens, I am going to show this into the image. Just listen first. The Fresnel lens is used to see that the two slots of the PIR can be seen out past from some distance. When the sensor is inactive, then two slots sense the same amount of infrared. The ambient amount radiates from the door, wall, etc. whatever. Okay. So this is the image, and you can see here this is the Fresnel lens is here, and the detecting area is there, and heat source movement means if human body is passing from that area, human body is continuously radiating some heat, so that is going to be sensed by this kind of passive sensor. When a human body or any animal passes by, then it intercepts the first slot of the PIR sensor. This causes a positive differential change between the two bisects. When a human body leaves the sensing area, the sensor generates negative differential change between these two objects. The infrared sensor itself is housed in a hermetically sealed material to improve humidity, temperature, noise or humidity. There is a window which is made of typically coated silicon material to protect a sensing element. The most widely used type of a passive motion sensor in home security system is passive infrared sensor. This kind of sensor designed to detect infrared radiations. Now start with the active infrared sensor. You can see inside the image, human area is passing from the range and it is going to be detect. A motion sensor or motion detector is an electronic device is designed to detect a measure movement. Active sensor have both transmitter and a receiver. This kind of sensor detects motion by measuring a changes in amount of a sound or a radiation reflecting back into the receiver. Active sensor have both transmitter and receiver. This type of sensor detects motion by measuring the changes in amount of sound and radiation. When an object interrupts or alters the sensor field, the electric pulse is generated and it is going to be embedded in the computer, which turns to interact with the mechanical component. The most common type of motion detector is ultrasonic sensor technology. This motion sensor emits sound wave to detect a presence of an object. There are also microwave sensors which emit microwave radiation, and a tomographic sensor which transmit and receive the radio waves. An active ultrasonic sensor emits ultrasonic sound waves at a frequency above the range of human hearing. These waves bounce off the object in intermediate vicinity and return to the motion sensor. A transducer within the sensor acts as a wave-point for the signal. It sends the pulse and receives the echo. This is the differentiation in between the active sensor and passive sensor, students. You can read it out. Active transducer generates electric current or a voltage directly in response to the environmental stimulation. Passive transducer produce a change in some passive electrical quantities such as capacitance, resistance or inductance as result of simulation. Active sensor provide their own energy. A passive sensor can only use to detect the energy. Active sensors are able to obtain measurements anytime, day, night, 24 hours, whereas passive sensor can obtain measurements only in a daytime. Thank you. That's it for today's lecture.